We're hiring, and we need awesome people like you. With great benefits and room to grow, we invite you to apply at HHHuntjobs.com.
Are you looking to make an impact? We pride ourselves on the difference we make every day in the residents in our apartment home communities. We're hiring for a variety of jobs in multiple locations.
Variety is right. We have positions in leasing, community management, maintenance, and more. With over 50 years of experience, HHHunt Apartment Living builds and manages luxury apartment communities in Maryland, Virginia, North Carolina, and South Carolina, and we're growing into other states.
And if you're looking for a career where you can use your hands-on maintenance experience, we have you covered. HHHunt Apartment Living has multiple maintenance positions, including technicians, managers, groundskeepers, and so much more.
We focus on people first. We hire the best team members, offer outstanding benefits, provide a great culture and environment, and ensure our team members have the proper resources and training. We make a meaningful difference in people's lives and have a lot of fun along the way.
So are you ready to join our team? Apply today at HHHuntjobs.com.
HHHunt is an equal opportunity employer. For more information, visit HHHuntApartmentLiving.com.